Show you how to open up your eye and make your eye look a little bit bigger. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a white eye kohl. Sorry, I'm trying to get readjusted here. We're going to use a white eye kohl, and we're going to just stick it right in our waterline. And what that does, it just makes your eye look a little bit more doll-like. See? Already opened up my eyes a lot more than what it was. So the next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little flat brush, and I'm going to go into the colors that I used on my upper eye, and I'm going to work that on the bottom lash. So I'm going to go into the color Activist. And ta-da! Look how much that might open up my eyes a lot more. And then I'll go in with my mascara. The mascara that I'm going to use is the Buxom, wherever she might be. Oh, girl, I think my butt getting big. Oh! I'm going to go in the Buxom mascara, and it is in Black is Black. And there you go. That's the finished look. We're at the final stage of what I was doing. If you have any questions, please leave the comments down below in the comment section. I'll list the products I used today on my eye, and I didn't tell you what the color of that eye coat was. I'll list it at the bottom of it. I can't find it right now. It disappeared on me. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them a comment down below. Like this page, or subscribe and then like this video, sorry. Also, the color that I'm wearing is called Lip Sense, and it's a Lip Sense brand, sorry. And it's a long-lasting lipstick. It does not come off. Sorry, that's Roscoe. It does not come off. See? It does not come off, except for the gloss. That's gloss that's coming off. But that's what seals down the product. It's a moisturizing gloss, and you probably have to reapply it maybe once or twice a day. And I decided because it feels really moisturizing. So, yeah. And this color, it's called Berry. And it's like a really deep wine color, and it's gorgeous. Sorry, Roscoe thinks he needs to growl at his bone. But anyways, so that's the final look. I hope you enjoy it, and please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. And yeah. Thank you.